Hey, everybody, it's David Bradley, training facilitator and coach with Grant Cardone, bringing you another Coach Call Nugget. I love that. Okay, so hey, everybody, welcome to another episode of Coach Call Nuggets. I'm your host of Coach Call Nuggets. My name is David Bradley, training facilitator and coach with Grant Cardone. What the heck does that mean? It means that every single day, 45 to 50 times a week, I'm meeting with Grant Cardone's Cardone University clients, and we're having conversations about how they're using Cardone University to take themselves and their business to the next level. Our clients are seeing a 15 to 30% lift in sales in as little as 90 days. And sometimes when we do these calls, like this today, I'm going to be doing 10, right? When we do these calls, sometimes there's like a theme. Like every call, like this one thing pops up. And so that's what's happening today. And I'm going to share it with you because if it's popping up for us, then it may be popping up for you. And what can you get from this one? Okay, so here's the nugget for today. You ready? Today's nugget comes right from Grant Cardone himself. Money follows attention. Let me say that one more time. Money follows attention. And so where this theme has gone with our clients is right into follow-up, okay? It's one thing to get somebody's attention. It's another thing to keep somebody's attention. So the message I'm bringing you today is when you're following up with your clients, I want you to look for and find creative ways to follow up with your people, with your customers, your existing customers, and your prospects, because out of sight, you know the rest, okay? Find ways to make it fun, not just for you though, but for your customers. Because when your customers are having fun, you know what they want to do? They remember you. They do not forget you. They come back more often. And you know what else they do? They give you money. So make it fun for you and make it fun for your customer. And that's your nugget for the day, okay? Money follows attention. Make it fun, you getting attention and you keeping attention. Make it fun for yourself. Make it fun for your customer. Now check this out. If you have a sales team, and you're thinking, man, how do I level my team up? How do I get these guys to the next level? They're not engaged, right? Number one challenge our clients have is just getting their people engaged. Are they even going to use the program? Maybe you're thinking about sales training and be like, how do I keep these people accountable? We got answers to all of this stuff, okay? So what I would love to do is have a short conversation with you and show you how our 10,000 companies and small businesses are using Cardone University right now, and how they're leveraging our coaching program to increase sales volume and profitability. Like I mentioned earlier, 15-30% new business in the next 90 days. What would that look like for you? Okay, you want to talk about how we're going to make that real for you? Hit me up. My email address, david@grantcardone.com. Call my number, 310-777-0352. That's david@grantcardone.com or 310-777-0352. Thank you for watching, and be great, because nothing else pays, and go out there and get some attention today.